from means to be very different from. To be very different from. Uses in the sentences are: I enjoyed visiting Seattle, but it was a far cry from the ideal vacation spot I expected. Second example is: Ned is enjoying his new job, but his responsibilities are far cry from what he was told they would do. Next, by all means. By all means, certainly, definitely, naturally, also of course, using any possible way or method. Uses and examples are: if the Johnsons invite us for dinner, by all means we have to return the invitation. Of course, we don't have to invite their children too. In order to ensure its survival, the ailing company has to obtain an infusion of cash by all means. To get out from under. To get out from under means to restore one's financial security, to resolve a difficult financial obligation. Examples are: after years of struggling to get ahead, the young couple finally got out from under their debts. And the ailing company succeeding in obtaining the necessary cash, was able to get out from under his financial burdens. To take the bull by the horns. To take the bull by the horns means to handle a difficult situation with determination